Hi, this is Arun Jagannathan, and this is the screencast for CSC519 DevOps Configuration Management. Right now, I have three virtual machines, one for Ansible, one for Node 0 Coffee Maker, and one for Test Coffee Maker. So, also, I've added the inventory file which has the IP address of Node 0 and Node 1, and also have added the keys which has the SSH keys for Node 0 and Node 1 for the Ansible. Also, I've written the playbooks, which I'll just show in a minute. So I've written three playbooks, one script.yml, which basically calls coffee maker setup and coffee maker test. Coffee maker test setup will be having all the commands for installing the dependencies in Node 0, like Git, Java, Maven, and all that. And finally, it will be starting the application coffee maker, and my coffee maker test has the Ansible script for installing the dependencies in Node 1, which includes Git, Chrome driver for Selenium, and also the Oracle, Java, and Maven package. Okay, so I'll get started. I'll just start the Ansible playbook right away. Yeah, so it is asking as a prompt my GitHub username and CSU GitHub username and password, and this is my root password for my SQL server. And yeah, so right now I've started my Ansible playbook, and it is installing all the dependencies in Node 0 now. So since it will take a while, I'm going to go ahead and pause the screencast. So my Ansible script has almost come to an end. Yeah, it's just done right now. So I'll just go through the results of the Ansible script. So it first started with installing all the stuff for Node 0. I installed Git, and then I installed Java, and as you can see, all the status has been changed, which means it has just been installed. I've installed Maven, MySQL, and then I started the application, and then I started installing for the Node 1, which is the test environment for Coffee Maker. I installed Git, and then this is an error, but this basically checks whether I already have the Google apt file in my system. Since it is not there the first time, it will throw an error, but anyway, I wrote a script to take care of that, and I ignored that error, and I continued with my execution of the other steps. So I carried on, and as you can see, Google Chrome driver has been installed, and the Coffee Maker Selenium has been cloned. My Maven has been installed, and Java has been installed. I've also modified the webtest.java, and I started my Maven test. So I'll go and show in the browser. As you can see, my Coffee Maker application is running in 40, and also I'll show the results of Maven test here. So this is the first time I'm going into the Vagrant machine after I created it. As you can see, there's the repo here. Okay, so I'll just run sudo Maven test here. As you can see, the build has been successfully done, and with 3 with 3 and 0 failures. So this brings me to the end of the screencast. Thanks for watching.